second. You don't have to prove a thing. You are the glow, even when you don't see it. You've been rushing through the day, but have you looked your way? There's beauty in your stillness, strength in how you stay. You don't need loud to be heard, you don't need perfect to shine. The way you just are is more